Hi friends, welcome back to Tasty Curry Heaven. Today we will be making maki dal. For this recipe, we will be using 2 cups of sabut urad dal or whole black lentils and 1/4 cup of Rajma. We have washed and soaked these for 12 hours. Now put it in a pressure cooker. Add water to the pressure cooker so that the dal is completely submerged in the water and so that the water is 1 inch above the dal. And here are the other ingredients we will be using in this recipe. I will also list them in the description box below. To the pressure cooker, add 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger. Now pressure cook the dal in the pressure cooker for 12 whistles. After 12 whistles, turn off the gas and let the pressure cooker depressurize while we make our masala. For the masala, heat the pan on a medium-high flame and add 1 tablespoon of ghee to the pan. Then add 1 tablespoon of oil to the pan so that our ghee does not burn. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and fry them until they crackle. Now add the remaining of the crushed ginger. Also add the crushed garlic and mix everything together. Now add 1 teaspoon of Asafoetida, also called hing in Hindi. Add 1 onion finely chopped and give it a good mix. We will add 1 teaspoon of salt to the onions so they caramelize quicker. Now add 3 chopped green chilies and mix really well. For that extra flavor, I'm going to add 4 whole red dried chilies. Now we will add the rest of the masalas: red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, and garam masala. Add 1/4 cup of water to the masalas so that they don't burn. Now give it a good mix and fry the masalas at a medium-high flame. The ghee is now oozing out, which means our masalas have fried well. Now adding the tomato puree from 3 tomatoes and mix it really well. We will cook the tomatoes for 10 more minutes, and in the meanwhile we will check on our dal. The pressure from the pressure cooker has been released, and as you can see, the dal is cooked really well. In order to give this dal a creamy texture, I am going to mash some of the dal with the back of my spoon. You can use a spoon or you can also use a blender to do the mashing. I am only mashing about 3/4 cup of the dal from this pressure cooker. If you want a creamier consistency, you can mash more dal. In the meanwhile, our tomatoes are frying with the masala. Give it a good mix. Fry the masala for 10 more minutes and then add the dal to the masala. Our masala has been frying for 10 minutes and the oil is oozing from the masala. It means that the masala is fried really well. Now add the dal to the masala and give it a good mix. Now turn the gas on a medium-low flame and mix the dal with the masala really well. Taste the salt and add more if needed. If you need a thinner consistency, you can add some water. Give it a good mix and continue cooking for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, add freshly cut coriander leaves and give it a good mix. And for the final step, cover the lid and cook for 5 more minutes. It has been 5 minutes. Our dal is boiling. It is completely ready to serve and enjoy. Turn off the gas and now enjoy your favorite maki dal with some roti or rice. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to subscribe so that we can bring to you more delicious recipes every week. Thank you for watching. Until next time, get spiced and thrive.